Can you spot the link between food and climate change? Energy and poverty? Livelihoods and refugees? Worldwide, humanity is facing major threats. Fortunately, even simple changes can create big transformations. At the IKEA Foundation, we're on a mission to improve the lives of vulnerable children by enabling their families to create sustainable livelihoods and fight and cope with climate change. This requires big transformations in the way we live, move, and produce and consume energy, food, and goods. At the IKEA Foundation, we're working with partners to show that even simple solutions can create big transformations in a way that is just, equitable, and supports livelihoods in the most vulnerable communities.
Together,
we can change the story of our planet for good.